Ini 25 tarik November Sengkini kita baik Dakokjak Sengthuma curfew ini kaji Sengkini Lele Protes Kajak Kamu Protes Hewan Ikai Terus tang Dakokjak 21 tarik November je Biani Borok Sini Borok no Sini Borok no je off duty o je Nogo Phai Tongpuru Bono lama kaso je Bwtharnai mane wat tok ni sei ya je Bwtharnai amo hake je Bwtharnai namu sing protest nitai protest gathering khaye sing bono condemn khaye sing tinaro 12 ঘন্টা bon bago goi sing tin lemso somni waro sing picketing asu jaka o jaga tok khayo tini je jaga nagorik sosha moncho tai miju convention borok je buru settlement no borok je condemn khaye je aro protest khaye je 5 din je bon dago goi borok a jaga sini borok je nimmo je hotta khaito mani borok je aro bruriya no je resettlement nani je condemn khaito mani amo bongni bagai tam khati tong aro bongni bagai tam bebat tong aro kisang bongna sinam tulo tamongkai je jaga aro India government bai Mizoram ta state government ti bagai chuti khaye je bruri settlement jaka aro je approach ke bose amon ke bose kire ke tini music convention bai je nagorik sosha moncho borok tamani bagai aro tini borok te content khaye nangka a jaga je jaga resettlement na hama jaga aro bong bagai tamani bagai problem khai borok aro content khaye nangka je jaga na jaga amro ki music convention ha na ki nagorik sosha moncho ha na bongni kono अधिकार tango je jaga article 6 ni mutabek aro music convention bai je nagorik sosha moncho ni je aro illegal je phorna borok India ni je constitution je mutabek article number 6 mutabek borok aro India ni khani basa singmai khongkai borok a jaga bahai gai sini bruri no borok aro sini khani bisa yani borok je town bagar condemn khane naka a jaga boni kono अधिकार kirei am bagai sing totally sing bono footage khaye condemn khaye sing tini ro je adino sini Biswajit devo mano je duty paye first service duty khaye je nogothang kompro off duty o je aro illegal intruders je illegal foreigners je bono kasu je nirmom babe je hota khaimani je bono wak tok butu je amon site basa yakhe je Bwtharnai amon sing bele ke sing bono bil thiman khadugana sitini ro protest le bikuf misil te bikuf soba khaye sitini picketing asu jaka limsa somni wo amgai ang amon koinai je jaga sini India hawa tonggoi sing tiba hawa tonggoi sini indigenous borok tabuksa jora sini odikana sing tabu mayako sini odikana sing tabu sini rights sing tabu wibe sejak tanggo je jaga sini hawa sini sasan prosasan sing maya o jaga je illegal foreigner je illegal je intruder je sasan prosasan khaitong bai tabuksa jora bongni borok je sini borno je bui tong buthap tamane amo tabu sing action khamane ko amon bagai o action mana bagai se poinai India government ni Home Minister Amit Shah tai sini Pradhan Mantri Modi ji tai sini state government je tabuk je sarkar tong donai bongnang koinai dakti kai je sini music convention tai nagorik sosha moncho je sini Biswajit development je Bwtharnai nirmome hotta khamane bongnang dakti kai Romwi chopna bagai tai amono Romwi chopna bising dei jeng bono nanyai justice ruoi borong no jotono phasi order na bagai ang koyo ngate kam ro
The strike called by TPF. We don't know who the Nagorik Sosha summons and Mizo Convention, why they are coming in Tripura and protesting against the which is given by central government, state government. They already passed the bill to settle our Bru people, and why they are coming and protesting and who are they? We don't know, because they are from illegal immigrant. They are creating problem here in Tripura. They are murdering, killing from past 71 years. Running, they are killing and murdering, and we didn't get still justice. In Tripura government, not only central government and as well as Tripura government, they didn't give any justice for our indigenous people. That's why we are still continue fighting, and now TPF will stand up for the justice, and we are looking for the justice. Still, if they cannot give the justice, we will continue fighting for our right and for our justice. And we are heartfelt for our beloved brother fireman, Lt.Biswajit Deborma. He just returned home from his duty, and on the spot they just brutally killed Nagorik Swaraj Summons and Miju Convention, who give them right to kill. They say that they are protesting, but they are doing a criminal act. They are just killing people. Biswajit Debarma has nothing to do with them. He's just returning home from his office. But they are killing them. They are bringing a problem. They are creating a problem. They are a problem maker in Tripura. Rather, we indigenous people, we peaceful maker. We want to stay peacefully. But this illegal immigrants, Nagorik Swaraj Summons and Miju Convention, they try to create problem in Tripura. We always want a peaceful. We indigenous people are peaceful. We never create problem, but still Nagorik Swaraj Summons and Miju Convention, and they are creating problem. They are killing our brother. They are creating government service. They are killing our firemen who are very sad today, and today all over the Tripura we are just called strike because of our overwhelming heart. We want justice for our Biswajit Debarma, and we just see in Kanchanpur they were given 144, but they didn't keep the law and order, and and government also we see the failure of their duty. They cannot stop them because today we know that in worldwide that there's a corona going on, but they didn't listen them, and they get together and they make problem. Who give them authority and power to settle to displace group people to displace here and there? Who give them the right? They are coming in Tripura and creating problem. I want to appeal all the central government and Tripura government should take right action for those who are culprit, those who are killer, just to identify them and give them a punish. Give them a right punish for those who are culprit, those who are killer, those who are murderer. I just want to say our central government and Tripura government to give justice for our beloved fireman Lt.Biswajit Debarma.
Your name and designation?
Sorry?
Your name and designation?
My name is Bwtharnai.
Wait.